You use WhatsApp every single day, but I guarantee you do not know what it is about to become. WhatsApp has been quietly building features that most tech channels have not covered yet. Not because they are small, but because they were not fully rolled out until now. Today, I am breaking down 9 WhatsApp features. Some are already live, some are coming very soon, and all of them are going to change how you use this app. Stay till feature number 3. It might be the most important thing you hear this year. Let us get into it. Feature 1, Parental Control. WhatsApp's biggest safety move yet. Your kid is old enough to have a phone. They want WhatsApp, and honestly, you are worried. Who are they talking to? Who can see their profile? Who is calling them late at night? WhatsApp heard you. They are rolling out a feature called Primary Controls for parents, and it is a game changer for every parent watching this. Here is how it works. From your phone, linked to your WhatsApp account, you will be able to manage your child's WhatsApp directly. You control who they can message and who can message them back. You control who can see their profile. You control who can call them. And you can do all of this without ever touching their phone. Linking your accounts takes just a few seconds. The control is entirely yours. This is not about spying on your child. This is about parenting in the digital age. And WhatsApp is finally making it possible without any third-party apps or workarounds. Keep your WhatsApp updated. This one is coming very soon. Feature 2. New members can now see your group's past. You run a WhatsApp group. Someone new joins, and immediately the questions start. What has been discussed? What did I miss? Every group admin knows this pain. WhatsApp's fix is called Group Chat History Sharing. When you add a new member, you will now be able to share the last 25, 50, 75, or 100 messages with them in just one click. They get context. You do not have to repeat yourself. The group keeps moving forward. This feature has already started rolling out. Go check your group settings right now. If you do not see it yet, update your app and it will be there soon. Feature 3, a cover photo. Your WhatsApp profile gets a glow up. This is the big one, so pay attention. You know how Facebook and YouTube let you have a profile picture and a cover photo? WhatsApp is about to do the same thing. Very soon, your WhatsApp profile will have 2 visual layers. First, your profile picture, same as always. Second, a brand new cover photo, a wide banner image that sits right behind it. For regular users, it is a great personalization upgrade. But for content creators, freelancers, and business owners, this is huge. Your cover photo becomes prime real estate. You can showcase your work, your brand, and your personality. Anyone who visits your profile gets a professional first impression instantly. Think of it as a mini business card built directly into WhatsApp. This feature is currently under development, but it is coming in one of the next major updates. Watch for it. Feature 4. Get WhatsApp features before everyone else. If you are the kind of person who always wants to be first, this one is made for you. WhatsApp has added a new option inside settings called Early Access to Beta Features. What this means is simple. The moment WhatsApp finishes building a new feature, even before the official public launch, you will get it directly on your device. No waiting, no reading about it online. You will already be using it while others are still watching videos about it. To find it, go to your WhatsApp settings and look for the Early Access or Beta option. Not there yet? Update your app. It is rolling out gradually. Feature 5. WhatsApp Channels. Admin profiles are here. If you run a WhatsApp channel with multiple admins, here is a problem you have probably faced. Your audience has no idea who posted what. Every update just says admin. There is no personality. There is no identity behind the content. WhatsApp's answer is Channel Admin Profiles. Now, each admin can set up their own individual profile inside the channel with their own name and profile picture. When they post an update, your audience will see exactly who sent it. It adds accountability, it adds personality, and it makes your channel feel far more professional. This is in development and rolling out soon. Perfect for media teams, collaborative creators, or any channel with more than one person running it. Feature 6. WhatsApp channels get smarter. Quizzes and questions are now live. While we are talking about WhatsApp channels, they just got a major upgrade. When channels first launched, you could only send voice messages, images, and videos. Then came emoji reactions. Then came polls. But now WhatsApp has added quizzes and open questions directly inside channels. You can ask your audience anything, in a quiz format or as an open question. They can respond directly. And here is the key part. Their responses are completely private. Only you can see them. Other subscribers cannot. It is a whole new level of engagement the channels were missing since day one. To use it, tap the plus icon inside your channel. If you see quiz and question options, you are good to go. If not, update your app right now. Feature 7. Advanced Chat Cleaning Tool. Let us be honest. WhatsApp is probably using more storage on your phone than any other app. And the longer you use it, the worse it gets. WhatsApp's new Advanced Chat Cleaning tool fixes this properly. You can go into any individual chat and selectively remove videos you do not need, audio files eating up your space, and documents just sitting there doing nothing. Tick what you want gone. Hit clean. Done. No more choosing between deleting everything or deleting nothing. You get full control, chat by chat. This is already live. Update your WhatsApp and it should appear in your storage settings straight away. Feature 8. Artificial Intelligence Designed Status Updates. If you love posting WhatsApp status, this is going to change your whole workflow. WhatsApp has launched AI-powered image capabilities for status updates. When you go to post a status, you will now have access to a built-in AI design assistant. It can help you write the text, choose and modify the background, adjust fonts and text colors and size, and apply filters and visual effects. All of that with just a few taps. No Canva, no third-party apps, just WhatsApp. This feature is already deployed, and many users have it right now. Head to your status section and look for the AI option. Do not see it? Update your app. Feature 9. Strict Account Security Settings. Lock your WhatsApp down. Now, I want you to listen carefully for this one, because this might be the most important feature of all. WhatsApp account hacks are rising every single month. Scams, identity theft, unauthorized access. If your WhatsApp gets compromised, you are not just losing an app. You are losing business deals, family conversations, and deeply private information. WhatsApp's response is their most comprehensive security overhaul yet. It is called Strict Account Security Settings. A dedicated security menu is coming that gives you full control over unknown call filtering, which blocks calls from numbers not in your contacts. IP address protection, which hides your real location from anyone calling you. Link safety scanning, which flags suspicious links before you even tap them. Notification security, to prevent unauthorized login alerts from slipping through. And personal information lockdown, so you control exactly what data is visible and to whom. The moment this menu appears in your settings, go through every single option and configure it. WhatsApp is the app you use for literally everything in your life. Protect it like it matters, because it absolutely does. So there you have it. 9 WhatsApp features that most people have not heard of yet. Some are live right now. Some are just days away. Some are a few weeks out. But now you know what is coming, and you are ahead of nearly every other WhatsApp user out there. Drop a comment below and tell me which feature you want the most, and let me know which ones you already have on your phone. If this video helped you, hit the like button and share it with someone who uses WhatsApp every day. And if you are new here, subscribe so you never miss a video like this. I will see you in the next one.